Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orphe, and today I want to show you how to remove glare and reflections from glasses. All right, so this is the easiest way. Back in the days, there used to be different ways, but you could have done it in Photoshop. But today I want to show you like a program that I use, a software that I use, and please make sure to stay tuned. All right, this is not a sponsored ad. This is just me showing you how I do it, and it's the most effective way to do it. As you can see, we are outside. I had this model, wear some glasses, and I have my reflection here. This is me here. You can see my arm. I was wearing a blue shirt, and this is the car, this is the Jeep, and you see the streets here, and this is me again, and you see the street. So when you have a photo like this, back in the days, what we used to do, it's actually go in Photoshop and start cloning a little bit of the skin on the side and try to blend a little bit more. So now you have different tools. Like I said, this is not a sponsored ad. They didn't send it to me. So I'm going to talk about this software that I use. It's called Evoto. So we are in Capture One. I'm using the Capture One 2022. I didn't upgrade to the latest version. So the first thing you're going to do, and what I do, is just right click on the photo, edit with, and I'll go with Evoto. I'm going to open it, and now PSD files, I'm not sure that it takes PSD files. So what I just do, I choose JPEG. Instead of going Pro Photo, I'll go to sRGB, color space, and resolution 300, and I'll go to edit variants. So as you can see, the photo is now in Evoto. So as you can see here, you have different sliders and you have different sections of the body. So you have the skin retouching, facial reshape, facial expression, teeth, eyes. So what we're gonna go is, we're gonna go to eyes, and then you can change different things. You can change the brightness. You can see, as you can see, I'm changing the brightness a little bit. So I'm gonna put it down because that's not what we're trying to do. And then you have remove glasses glare, and that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see, let me do this. As you can see, I'm just moving the sliders, and that's it. All right, let me know what you think. If you want to use it, I don't have a link. I'm probably going to put the link to go on the website, but I don't have anything. Like I said, it's not a sponsored ad. It's just me showing you what I use. One of the tools that I use to now enhance my photos and just go quick about it. All right, let me know what you think. You can try it. And I'll see you in the next episode. It's Orphe, baby. I'm out. Cheers.